Apple just dropped the AirPods Max 2, and with a $599 price tag, Americans are asking one big question: are these premium headphones actually worth the money, or is Apple once again charging top dollar for style over substance? At first glance they look nearly identical to the first-gen model, with those sleek aluminum earcups, breathable mesh headband and memory foam cushions, but this time there's more going on inside. Apple upgraded the chips, now using the new H3 processor in each earcup, plus the U2 chip for faster pairing and better Find My tracking. What that means for you is instant connection, no lag switching between your iPhone, Mac or iPad, and full location tracking even if the headphones are powered off. Battery life is now around 25 hours with active noise cancellation on, which is solid but not the best in class. Speaking of ANC, the noise cancellation has improved noticeably. It adapts quicker to your environment, blocks out low rumbles and street noise while letting in important sounds with adaptive transparency, perfect for walking in cities or commuting. And then there's the sound quality. Apple introduced a brand new dynamic driver that boosts the bass while keeping mids and highs clean and rich. It's not just loud, it's layered. Vocals sound crisp, instruments feel more real, and if you use Apple Music you get spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, which makes watching movies or listening to live tracks feel like you're surrounded by sound. Now let's compare this to what's out there in the US market. Sony WH-1000XM5 is around $400 and delivers great ANC, lightweight design and amazing sound quality. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra sells for less than $400 with ultra comfy fit and clear detailed sound. So what's Apple doing to justify nearly $600? It comes down to one word: ecosystem. If you're already using an iPhone, an iPad and maybe even a MacBook, these just work together beautifully. Auto switching, audio sharing, iCloud syncing, Find My precision tracking. It's the kind of seamless user experience no other headphone brand can match, especially in the US where Apple dominates the market. The new AirPods Max 2 also have a better microphone system, so calls sound clearer even in windy or noisy environments, and the Digital Crown still offers the best volume and playback control you'll find on any wireless headphones. The headphones feel premium with a solid weight but not too heavy, and the mesh headband really does reduce pressure even if you wear them for hours. The new smart case still doesn't protect much, but it does improve power efficiency and sleep mode to save battery life. Now who should actually buy these? If you're a loyal Apple user and want the best listening experience with zero hassle, these make sense. They sound great, they look stylish, and they play nice with everything Apple. If you're on Android or you're more focused on pure value and features, then there are cheaper options that do just as well in audio and noise cancellation. The AirPods Max 2 aren't for everyone, but for the US audience, especially those deep in the Apple world, they offer something no one else does. It's not just about headphones, it's about the experience, and if that matters to you, then yes, the AirPods Max 2 might actually be worth the $599 price tag. This is Digital Dive.